Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Single-story modern backyard studio or ADU, accessory dwelling unit, situated in a tightly packed urban environment, likely a renovated garage or carriage house. The structure is characterized by its flat, dark roofline and a striking facade dominated by a massive set of sliding glass doors framed in black, creating a seamless visual and physical connection to the outdoors. The exterior is clad in warm, dark horizontal wood siding. The entire interior is visible and warmly illuminated, revealing a single, luxurious open-plan space featuring a dining area with a long table, a cozy lounge area with a sectional sofa, and dark, minimalist cabinetry. The studio opens onto a wide, raised wooden deck. The deck is minimally furnished with a modern sectional outdoor sofa and accented with a sculptural rock formation, bordered by a gravel patio and lush, towering bamboo privacy screens. The brick residential buildings in the background provide an urban context. A luxurious and highly landscaped outdoor living space featuring a covered pergola and patio, creating a secluded retreat, pergola and ceiling. The focal point is a dark wooden pergola with heavy beams and posts, densely covered with climbing green vines and foliage. The interior of the roof is finished with warm-toned wood slats, adding texture and shelter. Seating area. Beneath the pergola, a cozy conversation area is arranged on a floor of warm, reddish-brown brick pavers. It features two matching dark gray woven sofas with lighter cushions and a central, woven rectangular coffee table, backdrop, and privacy. The back wall is a beautiful combination of a dark wood fence/wall and a backdrop of vibrant green ivy or climbing plants. The space is accented with decorative wall sconces, floating shelves, and potted plants. Grounds. The patio is framed by lush garden beds filled with ferns, white flowering plants, and low shrubs. A neat grass lawn in the foreground is crossed by a pathway of large square stepping stones. Japanese-inspired outdoor living space adjacent to a modern home, set within a lush, mature forest. The design creates a serene, secluded retreat for relaxation. The structure. The lounge area is backed by a single-story, modern structure with dark wood siding and a large wall of sliding glass doors, through which the warmly lit minimalist interior is visible. Deck and steps. A wide, warm-toned wooden deck forms the area immediately outside the house. It steps down to the main seating area via low wooden treads that are integrated into the design. Fire pit feature. The central feature is a large, circular fire pit built into a heavy, natural stone ring, set in a courtyard paved with light gray gravel. Seating. Surrounding the fire pit are large, flat stone pavers used as stepping stones, and 4 rustic natural stone stools or boulders. Atmosphere. Uplighting illuminates the surrounding mature trees, and soft lighting glows from within the structure and beneath the seating area, creating an atmosphere of tranquil, sophisticated, and intimate luxury. Two-story A-frame cabin deeply embedded within a vibrant, misty tropical jungle or rainforest environment. The architecture is defined by its strong triangular form and a strong commitment to nature integration, structure, and materials. The steep roofline is clad in dark, modern siding, while the entire structure is covered in a substantial living green roof of grasses and dense foliage, which visually merges the building with the surrounding canopy. Facade. The front facade is a soaring wall of black-framed glass, spanning both floors and maximizing light and panoramic views of the jungle and distant, misty mountains. Green features. The home features a stunning array of integrated plantings, including large planters and cascading vines that grow from the upper balcony and hang down over the lower level, enhancing the feeling of an opulent, high-end treehouse. Interior. The open interior reveals warm wooden floors and a cozy bedroom on the main level. A-frame style house defined by its steep dark metal standing seam roof. The entire gable end is a massive wall of black framed glass, maximizing natural light and the panoramic views of the surrounding hills. Sustainability. The roof is covered with a large array of solar panels, highlighting the home's commitment to energy independence. Materials. A robust stacked stone chimney anchors the structure. The house is warmly lit from within, contrasting with the cool light of the mountains at dusk. Outdoor living. An expansive, multi-level wooden deck wraps around the front and side, furnished with a sophisticated outdoor sofa and lounge chairs. The deck extends to an integrated swimming pool. A charming, rustic A-frame cabin nestled deep within a mature evergreen forest, creating a secluded retreat focused on relaxation. Architecture. The two-story cabin features a steep, classic A-frame roofline clad in dark shingles and panels of weathered corrugated metal. The front gable is a mix of dark wood paneling and large, multi-paned windows, which reveal a warmly lit, rustic interior. Deck and entrance. The home sits on a large, multi-level wooden deck that extends onto a patio area paved with a mixture of gravel and flagstones. The deck is decorated with potted plants, old wooden chairs, and various eclectic items, enhancing the bohemian, lived-in feel. Relaxation features. The central focus of the outdoor space is the two hot tubs, a large, modern square hot tub in the foreground and a smaller, circular tub set further back, both ready for use. Two-story modern A-frame cabin integrated into a lush, tropical rainforest environment. The design is characterized by its dramatic height and extensive use of glass, creating a luxurious, open retreat. Architecture. The structure features a steep, classic A-frame roofline with black framing that contrasts beautifully with the forest. The entire front gable is a soaring wall of black framed glass, spanning both floors and maximizing natural light and the immersive forest views. Outdoor integration. The lower level opens completely to a wide wooden deck and patio. The deck is furnished with a subtle seating area and even a hammock. The second floor includes a walkout balcony with a minimalist glass railing, materials and light. The interior is warmly illuminated, highlighting the lightwood ceiling of the A-frame and the open-plan living spaces. The exterior is accented with dark wood and modern lighting. Modern A-frame cabin nestled in a dense, cool-climate evergreen forest. The design offers a contemporary take on the classic cabin style, emphasizing sharp lines and glass. Architecture. The two-story structure features a steep, classic A-frame roofline clad in dark metal standing seam siding, creating a strong, geometric silhouette. The contrast between the dark exterior and the warm interior lighting is very dramatic. Facade. The front gable is a soaring wall of black-framed glass, spanning both floors and incorporating a small triangular window near the apex. The lower level features a large glass sliding door, which opens the interior to the surrounding nature. Deck and furnishings. The cabin is set on a low wooden deck that extends slightly into the grassy forest floor. Two unique, high-backed woven lounge chairs sit on the deck, providing a cozy spot for enjoying the quiet of the woods. Two-story A-frame cabin, offering a perfect contrast to the cold, snowy environment outside. Materials and ceiling. The entire space is characterized by extensive use of light-toned natural wood paneling on the walls and the soaring A-frame ceiling, which gives the room a bright, rustic, yet contemporary Scandinavian feel. View and light. A dramatic, two-story wall of glass windows follows the A-frame line, providing a breathtaking view of the snow-covered evergreen forest outside. The warm interior lighting contrasts beautifully with the blue-gray light of the exterior. Furnishings. The living area is furnished with a dark gray sofa with plush pillows and a throw, facing a low wooden coffee table and a minimalist television. Fireplace. A striking modern, freestanding black metal fireplace and chimney stands to the right, with a visible fire adding warmth and coziness to the room. There is also a stack of logs beside it. Two-story modern A-frame cabin set against the majestic backdrop of a lush mountain valley, likely at sunset. The home beautifully blends rustic charm with modern sophistication. Architecture. The main structure features a dramatic, steep A-frame roofline clad in dark charcoal siding, contrasting with the surrounding greenery. The entire front gable is a massive wall of black framed glass, spanning both floors to provide expansive views of the meadow and mountains.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.